In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Search Console to WordPress using Yoast SEO. This is a simple but important setup because it allows Google to confirm that you own your website, which gives you access to search performance data, indexing information, and other useful SEO insights. We'll use Yoast SEO to add the verification code, so you won't need to edit your theme files manually. To get started, open Google Search Console and click Start Now. On the right side of the screen, look for the URL prefix option. This is the one you want for this method. Enter your exact website URL, including HTTPS/ and www if your site uses it, and then click Continue. It's important to type the URL exactly as your website is set up because even a small difference can affect verification. Once the property setup window appears, scroll down until you find the section called Other Verification Methods. In that section, click the HTML tag option to expand it. Google will display a meta tag that's used to verify ownership of your site. Copy the entire meta tag code exactly as it appears. Next, open a new tab and sign in to your WordPress dashboard. In the left-hand sidebar, click on Yoast SEO, which may also appear simply as SEO depending on your setup. From there, click Settings or General if you're using a different version of Yoast. Now navigate to the Site Connections tab. In some versions, this may be called Webmaster Tools, but it serves the same purpose. Look for the field labeled Google. Paste the entire meta tag code into that box. Don't worry if it looks like too much code to fit there. Yoast is designed to recognize the full tag and automatically extract only the unique verification key it needs. After that, scroll down and click Save Changes. This step is important because your verification tag won't be added to the site until the settings are saved. Now return to your Google Search Console tab, go back to the HTML tag section where you copied the code, and click Verify. Google will check your website for the verification tag you just added through Yoast. If everything was entered correctly, you'll see a green ownership verified message confirming that your site is now successfully linked. And that's it. Your WordPress site is now connected to Google Search Console using Yoast SEO. Once verified, you can start exploring search analytics, indexing reports, and other tools that help you improve your site's visibility in Google.